Hey, sweetie, I just wanted to let you know that, um, I'm sorry for being so toxic and such a toxic boyfriend. I know throughout the years you've been putting up with me, and I really appreciate it. And I've been doing a lot of self-reflecting, and I realize what a crappy person I am, you know, how I treated you and stuff, and I just wanted to apologize and let you know that I'm gonna do better. And I know that throughout the years I've been separating you from your family, and I'm sorry. And I had good reason to. It's just that I knew that your parents wouldn't approve of me. I knew that your family wouldn't approve of me. You know, and I was afraid of losing you, and I just didn't want to lose you. And I felt like the best way to keep you was to separate you from your family. I didn't want anyone else to influence what we have together. So I did what I had to do, because that's what I believed that was right for us. You know, I just wanted you, and I didn't want anyone getting away with that. So I just wanted to tell you I'm sorry. And I'm sorry that I didn't allow you to have any friends. Like, I didn't allow you to see any of your friends too. And the reason why I didn't allow you to have friends or see friends, or it's because I knew that they would say things about me, like, you could do better, or he's not treating you right. And they're right, you know. They're absolutely right. I was afraid that you might leave me for someone else. And I didn't want your friends to influence you towards that direction. So I cut you off from your friends. And I know that's not the right thing to do, but I didn't think they would support our relationship and support us. You know, I love you. And I just wanted all of your time to be spent on me. That's all. Just on me. That's why I did what I did, and I just cut you off from the world, because I just wanted to be the only thing in your life. And I know it's a little bit selfish of me, but I did it for us. And I just wanted to let you know that I'm gonna change. I'm not gonna be toxic anymore. I'm gonna change for you. I'm gonna change for us. I'm not gonna manipulate you anymore. I love you. I do. And I would do anything for you. Anything whatsoever. 'Cause you're my everything. Of course. I mean, anything for you. No, sweetie, you can't leave. I thought you were happy with me. I made this cage. No, I'm sorry. You're gonna be with me forever, okay? Kidnapping you was like really, really hard, and I'm not just gonna let you go. You know I love you, sweetie. And I do. I love you so much. You know you're my everything. And that's why I'm gonna keep you here forever until you realize you love me too. I know you love me. Of course. Of course you love me. You only been here for 5 years. I say if you give it another 5 more years, you'll fall madly in love with me. Trust me. You love me so much. You just don't know that you love me yet. That's all. I'm serious. Just give it a little bit more time. You'll see. You'll see that you love me. Did you just call me crazy? I'm not crazy. I'm crazy in love with you. You know that. I love everything about you. But no, I'm not crazy. Would a crazy person keep you down this long in this basement, building this beautiful cage for you to be in? I don't think so, sweetie. So I'm not crazy. I'm perfectly fine. I'm normal. But I love you so much. But you should be crazy. You should be crazy in love with me. It would just be so fun, me and you, wouldn't it? I know deep inside you're crazy for me. You just don't know it, sweetheart. Yeah, you just don't know it, my princess. You know, I'm never gonna let you go. You're gonna be with me forever. Me and you. Here. Forever. I don't think you understand how much time it took me to get you here. I've been planning for so long, so long, to figure out a way how I can get you here. And now that I have you here, I'm never gonna let you go, and there's no way to leave. I put locks on every single door, so you cannot leave. You cannot leave here. So you, my dear, are gonna be stuck with me for a very, very long time. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun. There's so many things that we can do here in this basement, in your cage. I'll cook for you. I'll take care of you. I'll cuddle with you. I'll keep you warm. I'll make you happy. We can watch movies, play games. There's so many things that we can do together. You'll realize how much I love you. You'll enjoy the activities with me. Trust me. You're my everything. I'll buy you anything you want. there's gonna be so many things to do here. There is. I love you so much. You're my everything. Oh, sweetie. You'll never see your family again. I can't let you see your family. I hope you understand. You can't see them. You're gonna stay here with me. You'll be happy here. This is where you belong. You belong here. You don't have a family no more. I'm your family now, okay? Yeah. No, don't worry. You're gonna stay here for the rest of your life with me. Do you understand? Good. Good, I'm glad you understand. You wanna leave the cage? No, sweetie, I can't. I can't let you leave the cage, okay? No, you can't. Maybe one day when I trust you, okay? I just gotta trust you. Do you understand? Once I know that you love me as much as I love you, that's when I can trust you. And maybe you can walk around this basement and we can walk around together. Alright? No, don't worry. I know you love me. I do. You just don't know it yet. I love you so much, sweetheart. You know you're my everything. You really, truly are. No, don't be sad. Come here. Come cuddle with me. Come on. I don't bite. Come cuddle with me right now. I'm not gonna ask again. Good. Isn't this nice?